Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of mind mapping, a visual technique that can transform the way you study. Mind maps help you organize information, connect ideas, and remember details much faster. Whether you're preparing for exams or just want to boost your learning, these tricks will make your study sessions more effective and enjoyable. Let's start by understanding what mind mapping is and why it's such a powerful tool for students everywhere. Mind map is a diagram that visually organizes information around a central idea. Imagine a tree, with the main topic at the center and branches spreading out to related concepts. This structure mirrors how our brains naturally process and recall information. By using colors, images, and keywords, mind maps make complex topics easier to understand and remember. Now let's see how you can create your own mind map from scratch. Every mind map begins with a central idea. Write your main topic in the center of a blank page. This could be anything from biology to history exam. Draw a circle or a shape around it to make it stand out. This central point will anchor all your thoughts and help you stay focused as you expand your map. From your central idea, draw thick branches outward for each main theme or chapter. Label each branch with a key topic. For example, if your central idea is biology, your branches might be cells, genetics, and ecology. This step breaks down big subjects into manageable parts, making it easier to tackle complex material. Next, add thinner branches off each main theme for subtopics and supporting details. For example, under cells, you might add cell structure and functions. This layered approach helps you see connections and ensures you don't miss important information. Keep your branches clear and concise for easy review. Colors aren't just for decoration, they help your brain categorize and recall information. Assign different colors to each main branch or topic. This makes your mind map visually appealing and helps you quickly find what you need during revision. Don't be afraid to get creative with your color choices. Adding small images, doodles, or icons to your mind map can make information more memorable. For example, draw a tiny DNA strand next to genetics or a leaf for ecology. Visual cues trigger your memory and make studying more fun. Even simple sketches can make a big difference. When filling out your mind map, use single words or short phrases instead of long sentences. Keywords are easier to scan and remember. They also leave room for more branches and ideas. The goal is to keep your map uncluttered and focused on the most important points. Sometimes, different topics on your mind map are connected. Use lines, arrows, or shapes to show these relationships. For example, link photosynthesis under plants to energy under cells. This visual linking helps you understand how concepts interact and reinforces your understanding. Use highlighters, bold colors, or thicker lines to emphasize the most important points on your mind map. This draws your attention to critical information during review sessions. Highlighting helps you quickly spot what matters most, especially when you're short on time. Mind maps are perfect for summarizing chapters or entire subjects. After reading a textbook section, create a mind map to capture the main ideas and supporting details. This process helps you digest information and makes revision much easier later on. Before writing an essay, use a mind map to brainstorm your arguments, evidence, and structure. Start with your essay topic in the center, then branch out with your main points and supporting details. This approach helps you organize your thoughts and ensures your writing is clear and logical. Learning new vocabulary, mind maps can help. Place the main word in the center, then branch out with synonyms, antonyms, example sentences, and related images. This visual method makes it easier to remember and use new words in context. To get the most out of your mind maps, review them regularly. Spend a few minutes each day scanning your maps and recalling key points. This spaced repetition strengthens your memory and keeps information fresh for exams. There are many digital tools available for mind mapping, such as MindMeister, Xmind, and Coggle. These apps let you create, edit, and share mind maps easily. Digital maps are perfect for collaboration and can be accessed from any device, making your study process even more flexible. For even better results, combine mind maps with flashcards. Use your mind map to identify key facts, then create flashcards for quick review. This dual approach helps reinforce your memory and makes studying more interactive. Mind maps are great for group study sessions. Work with classmates to build a shared map, pooling your knowledge and ideas. This collaborative process helps everyone understand the material better and fills in any gaps in your notes. Facing a tough problem? Use a mind map to break it down. Place the problem in the center, then branch out with possible solutions, pros and cons, and related factors. This visual approach helps you see the big picture and find creative answers. Mind maps can also help you track your study progress. Create a map for your study plan with branches for each subject or topic. As you complete sections, mark them off or add notes. This keeps you organized and motivated throughout your study journey. Preparing for a presentation? Use a mind map to outline your main points and supporting details. This helps you structure your talk and ensures you cover all important information. Mind maps also make it easier to remember your speech during delivery. Instead of traditional linear notes, try using mind maps during lectures. Quickly jot down main ideas and connect them visually. This method helps you capture the flow of information and makes reviewing your notes much more effective. When starting a new project, use a mind map to brainstorm tasks, deadlines, and resources. Place the project name in the center, then branch out with all the necessary steps. This helps you stay organized and ensures nothing gets overlooked. Before exams, create mind maps for each subject to review key concepts and facts. This visual summary helps you quickly recall information and identify any weak areas that need more attention. Mind maps make last-minute revision less stressful and more productive. Learning a new language, mind maps can help you organize vocabulary, grammar rules, and phrases. Create branches for different topics like food, travel, or greetings and add new words as you learn. This keeps your language study organized and engaging. If you enjoy creative writing, use mind maps to brainstorm characters, plot points, and settings. Place your story idea in the center, then branch out with all your creative elements. This helps you develop richer stories and keeps your ideas organized. Set and track your academic goals with mind maps. Place your main goal in the center, then branch out with steps, deadlines, and resources needed. This visual plan keeps you motivated and helps you stay on track throughout the semester. Struggling with time management? Use a mind map to plan your weekly schedule. Create branches for classes, assignments, and personal time. This overview helps you balance your workload and make time for relaxation and hobbies. After reading a passage or article, create a mind map to summarize the main points, supporting details, and your own thoughts. This helps you understand and remember what you've read and makes it easier to review later. Science subjects often involve complex processes and systems. Use mind maps to break down topics like the water cycle, cell structure, or chemical reactions. Visualizing these processes helps you understand and remember them more easily. History can be overwhelming with dates, events, and people. Mind maps help you organize timelines, causes, and effects. Create branches for different eras or events and add key figures and outcomes. This makes history more manageable and memorable. Math concepts often build on each other. Use mind maps to connect formulas, theorems, and problem-solving steps. This helps you see how different topics relate and makes it easier to tackle challenging problems. When studying literature, use mind maps to track characters, themes, and plot developments. Place the book title in the center, then branch out with all the important elements. This helps you analyze stories and prepare for essays or discussions. Before a big test, use mind maps to outline what you need to study. List all topics, key facts, and formulas. This overview helps you prioritize your revision and ensures you cover everything before exam day. Mind maps pair well with memory techniques like mnemonics and visualization. Add memory aids to your branches, such as acronyms or vivid images. This combination makes it easier to recall information during exams. Mind maps aren't just for academics, they're great for personal growth too. Use them to set goals, plan hobbies, or track habits. This visual approach helps you stay motivated and see your progress over time. Thinking about your future career? Use a mind map to explore different paths, required skills, and steps to achieve your goals. This helps you make informed decisions and stay focused on your ambitions. Whenever you need to brainstorm ideas, whether for a project, essay, or creative work, mind maps are your best friend. Start with your main idea and let your thoughts branch out freely. This encourages creativity and helps you generate more ideas. When faced with a tough decision, use a mind map to weigh your options. List the pros and cons of each choice, possible outcomes, and factors to consider. This visual breakdown helps you make clearer, more confident decisions. Start your day by creating a mind map of your tasks and priorities. This helps you organize your time, set clear goals, and stay productive. A daily mind map keeps you focused and reduces stress as you move through your to-do list. Want to build better habits? Use a mind map to track your progress. Place your main habit in the center, then branch out with daily actions, rewards, and challenges. This visual tracker keeps you motivated and helps you stick to your goals. Feeling overwhelmed? Use a mind map to identify stressors, coping strategies, and support resources. This helps you manage stress more effectively and find solutions to challenges you're facing. Stay motivated by creating a mind map of your reasons for studying, your goals, and the rewards you're working toward. This visual reminder keeps you inspired and focused, especially during tough times. After completing a project or exam, use a mind map to reflect on what went well, what you learned, and areas for improvement. This helps you grow as a student and prepares you for future challenges. Make learning enjoyable by using mind maps for your favorite topics, hobbies, or interests. The more you enjoy the process, the more effective your learning will be. Mind maps turn studying into a creative and engaging activity. Congratulations, you've now learned the top mind mapping tricks to boost your study efficiency and memory. Remember, the key is to practice regularly and adapt these techniques to your own learning style. With mind maps, you'll find studying more organized, creative, and effective. Happy mapping and good luck with your studies.